Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Learn how to make your very own crinkle fries, everybody. Alright, so now the first thing I do is I cut off the two ends of the potato. You can use whatever kind of potato you want, russet potatoes, red potatoes. You choose what kind of potatoes you want, and that is fine. Alright, so after I do that, I'm going to cut off all four sides of this potato with this crinkle cutter, with this cutter. Alright, so I want to make all four sides of the potato crinkle. So that ensures once I start cutting the fries that all of them are going to come out crinkled, and I won't have a straight side on one of them. Alright, so check this out. The rest of it, I don't need to talk you through the rest of cutting. You can watch, and then we'll move on to frying them. All right, shout out to Kimmy's Creations. Kimmy's Creations with a K. Check her out on Instagram, TikTok, and I believe Facebook too. So that's where I got this idea from. But if y'all want to find some fast stuff, some great recipes, do check out Kimmy's Creations. All right, so you want to heat your oil to 350 or 375. Now you want to rinse your fries off. When you rinse your fries off, you want to pat them dry. And if at this point you want to season them, you can. But you can wait to season them as soon as they come out of the oil too. That works. But you got to do it as soon as you get it out of that hot oil. All right. All right. So you want to make sure you do rinse them off after you cut them, like I said, and then pat them dry and get them put in here. Get them put in your oil. All right, so you can double fry these too. So you can fry these for about 5 minutes. You want to take them out. You want to let them drain on like a cookie rack. You want to let them drain on that for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then you want to put them back in. You put them back in that second time, you should get them super, super, super crispy. All right, so just a tip, but if you want to just do them like regular fries, that's cool. Put them in here, let them get crispy, and take them out. Works for me. Works for me, baby. I love them. I like crinkle fries anyway. I always over the years had to cut them straight. You know what I'm saying? You had to cut them straight because just was no way to get crinkle fries except if you go to the store and just get a bag of them or something like that. So, hey, this saves a lot of time. You can make them yourself, and you can put any kind of seasoning on it you want. So, check that out. All right, so I'm gonna move them around a little bit, but as I said, pretty much, you know how long to cook fries. Cook fries until they get crispy. As crispy as you want them, because some people don't like super crispy fries, but just don't let them turn brown, but keep them in until they're crispy, right? So if you're not familiar with cooking fries, which I think a lot of us are, but a lot of people are using air fryers now. So whether the air fryer will work with these, I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet, but I cook chicken and everything else in it, so hey, it just might. All right, so you got them in oil like this. They're going to float to the top. All right, so after they float to the top, you're going to let them cook for a few more minutes because you're going to let them get crispy on the outside, all right? So they're going to brown around the edges just a little bit, but don't let them brown too much because they look unsightly. You know we eat with our eyes first, right? All right, so you make these how you want to make them. Your kitchen, your rules. So if you want to take them out before they get too crispy, by all means, take them right out. So I'm just telling you. So these are just about ready. So what it is I just want to get mine a little more crispy. I use a lot of ketchup. Sometimes I'll dip, but sometimes I'll squirt my ketchup all over on the top of it. And another thing I like to dip my fries in mayo. All right, I know I worked nights some years ago, so I worked with a lot of foreigners, and a lot of them dip fries in mayo. So I tried it. I actually like it. It's actually good. It's really good. So anyway, let these get crispy, and we'll take them out. All right, here we go. And these are so good. Like straight out the pan. These really good. Just do something different. We cut up fries all the time. That's cool. But crinkle fries, even better. Alright, so this is the part I'm going to show on camera, but I made a bigger batch than this. I made more, of course. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, that is a seasoning by Kingsford, so I wanted a smoky. Like, I wanted to get a little salt on my fries, but I want a little smoky flavor to it too, so check that out. So that's what you want to do immediately when you take these fries out. Like, don't wait. You want to season them right away. There's nothing like hot fries with that fresh seasoning on it. That is so good. I'm telling you. All right, so I want to make sure I coat them all evenly, but check that out, everybody. Our crinkle fries are done. So here's some bonus footage. I decided I'm going to show you. I had the fries out for a while, but I just decided I'm going to put them back in and get them super crispy. All right, so I heated the pan back up. All right, so this is after like 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so I heated it back up. You can see it's bubbling up over there really, really well. But you heat it back up. You want to heat it back up to like 400 because you want to do what we call flash frying. So you want to put them in, you want to get them crispy, and you want to take them out. You don't want to make them all soggy and greasy. So be careful with that part of it. You don't want to really, you're biting into a whole mouth of grease. Now that's not what you want. What we're looking for right here is it lickety split very quickly, cook and get crispy. All right, so I'm going to take these right out. All right, so this time I'm going to spread them out. So I'm going to spread them out on a cutting board I had off on the side right there. Just put a paper towel on top quickly to drain them. But you can, like I said, you can use like a cookie, the cooling racks. You can use those. That way your air circulates, so you can put the paper towel under the cooling rack. Put the paper towels on there. And trust me, it works perfectly. So I have another video up with crispy fries. So if you want to check that one out, check it out. So all you have to do is the same thing I did in that video, only these are crinkle fries. So you can either do it this way or do it the other way I did it in the other video. So just check that one out. But really easy, and that's if you like really crispy fries, because that's why I like McDonald's fries. I like McDonald's because they're like super crispy. So I'm sorry I don't have the sound on right there, but what I did was I hit on that fry because I wanted you to hear how crispy it I want you to hear how crispy it turned out, because trust me, it did. It is super crispy. So now I'm going to use one of these little display containers for the fries. So I'm just going to put them all in, and trust me, for however many people you're serving, fill it up with fries, put your ketchup, your mayo, whatever your condiment is in the front right there. And I think these are on Amazon. I think if you're looking for these, but of course Amazon has nearly everything. So if you can't find it on Amazon, then I do suggest, because sometimes Walmart will have things too, like we can't find it on Amazon or it's out. A lot of times Walmart, they carry it too. All right, so that's it for the crinkle fries, everybody. Let me show you what they look like close up. All right, so this is what it looks like close up. Check that out, everybody. Crispy crinkle fries and ketchup. Nice little snack any time of the day or anytime you just feel like making fries. All right, so remember I said I got the little gadget from Amazon, but you can get it from GFS, Gordon Food Services, Michael's, someplace like that. Trust me, this little gadget, they carry it all over. So make sure you go look for one and get one and make yourself crinkle fries. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.